Hey guys, it's me, Miss B. So we are continuing on with matrices, but today I'm going to show you how to do everything on a calculator. So the last couple of days we've been solving systems, just like the one given here. And so we're going to put it into what's called an augmented matrix first. So this matrix right here is what we call an augmented matrix, and that's just reflected that is that equation, those three equations in the matrix. In our notes, we had, it looked like this, where we had 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 9, 5, 6, 7. And then we had X, Y, Z, and that was equal to 7, 8, 12. Okay, so this and this are equivalent to each other. However, when we're in the calculator, we have to write it this way. So I'm going to take you through step by step on how to solve using your calculator. I would strongly suggest using an actual graphing calculator because that is what you will have on the ACT. But of course, there are other methods of doing it. I'm using a TI-84 app on my iPad. So first we need to navigate here. So I'm going to hit that second button and then go to matrix, which is right above x to the -1. And then you'll hit your arrows. I don't have any arrows, but I'm going to go to over to edit, and then I'm going to go to A, and go to whatever one you want. So you'll hit enter because we have a 3x4 matrix here. So we have three rows, 4 columns. So I'm going to create a 3x4 matrix. So enter 3, enter 4, and then I'm going to type out those values. So I have 1, and we go from left to right, and then just like reading a book. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 2, 4, 6, 8, and then we have 3, 9, 7, 12 for that last one. So since we are finished with that, we're going to go ahead and we're going to hit quit over here. So second quit. Okay, so then what we want to do is we want to put it into reduced echelon form. So there's going to be a lot of zeros and ones. But what we're going to do is we're going to hit second and then matrix again. We're going to go over to math. And then there's an RREF. Mine tells me what happens, but yours will not. But it'll just have RREF and then a parenthesis like that. I think it actually is in the next one here. I'm kind of following the directions. I'm kind of doing my own thing here. You can follow the directions. I'm following them. It's just more detailed in the notes. So then we're going to go and select our matrix. So we go second matrix again, over to names, and click on that first one. Now we can save multiple at a time if we want to. And then I'm going to close that parenthesis and hit enter. So what it does is it reduces all of those rows so that I don't remember what I was saying. So that we have these answers. So the first one is going to be our X, the second one our Y, and the third one our Z. So the calculator usually returns back decimals. If you want it to be in fractions, you'd hit this math button and then hit to fraction, which ours was already in fractions. But if you want it in decimals, you would just hit the decimal button and it would convert those for you. Most of the time we want to keep our stuff as fractions. Okay, so here I've put some examples where we have some matrices and these are pulled directly from the ACT. So let's go ahead and we're going to go and create a couple new matrices. I'm going to do B is going to be my A. So I'm just going to write that this is going to be my B. And, oh, you know what? I forgot to edit that. So I'm going to go second matrix, have to go over to edit and go to B. I need a 2 by 2 matrix. I'm going to enter all of these numbers. So I have 2, -4, 6, and 0. Make sure you actually hit negative and not 0. Okay, and then I'm going to go back in to C, and I'm going to make another one. So 2 by 2. And so I have -2, 4, -6, and 0. And I'm going to go ahead and cancel out of that. I'm going to clear everything so we can have a fresh page. And so I'm going to do A minus B, so A is my B, saved as my B. Oh, you know what so I need to go to names, and then I do B minus C. And remember, we labeled those differently. And so then I get the matrix 4, -8, 12, 0, which is E. So that's an easy way to solve. It took us very little time to enter those as long as we knew how to use our calculator. So for this next one here, I've got x plus y equals 4 and 2x minus y is equal to 5. And then I'm trying to find what x plus 2y is. I can easily find what x equals and y equals by doing the reduced echelon form. So here is the matrix that I will create. I'm going to create the matrix. It'll be 1, 1, 4, and then 2, -1, 5. So I'm going to go into matrix here, edit, and we'll put this under D, and I'm just going to write D so I don't forget. And I need a 2 by 3, not 4, 3. And so I have 1, 1, 4, 2, -1, 5. And then I'm going to quit, and I'm going to go second matrix over to my math. I'm going to do the RREF. I'm going to hit second and matrix over to names again to D. So I'm looking for that reduced form for D. And so this ends up being 1, 0, 3, 0, 1, 1. So that means that x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. So I can easily just plug that into this equation. So I have x is 3 plus 2 times y. So I get 5 for that one. So that one is D. All right. So this next one here is a little tricky, but only because we have some stuff missing. I'm missing a y. So I have 3x. Let me actually write this off to the left, or to the right here. So I have 3x plus 0y plus 3z equals 0. 2x plus 2y plus 0z equals 2. And 0x plus 3y plus 3z equals 3. So I want you to go ahead and try that one on your own using your calculator. So you should have put it in your calculator as 3 0, 3, 0, 2, 2, 0, 2, 0, 3, 3, 3. And then we're going to use that reduced form. So I have, oh, what did I do? So matrix, I'll just do J down here. Oh, I forgot to edit it. Matrix, edit, J. I need a 3 by 4. So I have 3, 0, 3, 0, 2, 2, 0, 2, 0, 3, 3, 3. And then I go second matrix over to math, RREF, second matrix, names, and we've got J this time. And so I end up with X equals 0, Y equals 1, and Z equals 0 for that one. I do believe these examples, we can do a couple of these in class. Let's actually go ahead and do number 7 together. So it says at a pizza shop, 2 small pizzas, a liter of soda, and a salad cost $14. So I've got pizza, soda, and salad. Let's just do X, Y, and Z. That'll be easier. X, Y, and Z. So 2 small pizzas, a liter of soda, and a salad costs $14. 1 small pizza, 1 liter of soda, and 3 salads cost $15. 3 small pizzas, a liter of soda, and no salad costs $16. So what is the cost of each item? Go ahead and plug that into your calculator and figure it out. All right, I'm going to go directly to my calculator. So, I did not mean to do that. So, second matrix, gonna edit. Let's just edit G here. So I'm gonna have a 3 by 4 matrix. My coefficients are 2, 1, 1, 14, 1, 1, 3, 15, 3, 1, 0, 16. Okay, and then I'm going to go in and do matrix math, RREF, that reduced echelon form, and then my name's saved under G. And so we get that X is equal to 5, Y is equal to 1, and Z is equal to 3. So these are each dollar, so $5 for pizza, $1 for soda, and $3 for a salad. All right, that's all for now.